This time at the quick speed shop, we're gonna unbury the plow truck Jeep and plow all this snow. Alright, so we saw in the last video where I went and I fixed the power steering on the Jeep and I put a rubber plow edge on it. This is a big storm here we had for the last 24 hours. I've got 3 hours of sleep. I was at work plowing for 21 hours. And now I had to come home and I got to plow here. So I'm going to go over and I'm going to unbury the Cherokee Chief and we'll see how it does. This is serious powder. Look at this. We're up to the rockers. I'm stuck. I had to wad into the driveway. The wind's blowing like crazy. It's like 10 degrees out. And to get the Jeep out, we'll try to unbury all this nonsense. For some reason she's being a little cold-blooded. Well, it's very cold out. She's hitting on 5, maybe 4, but it cleans up to 6 sometimes, so when it warms up it'll run on 6. So let's try to push the snow. This rubber edge worked fantastic. The yard's not damaged at all. It skinned right over the grass just like I thought it would. Got the old Flexi-Fly Jeep out there plowing like gangbusters. Hey, my S10 was stuck. I had a heck of a time getting that out. We got that out. I got to shove up some leavings back here. But the old Cherokee came through again in the clinch. So this thing's awesome. Old school plowing at its best. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm going to put a circle over there, bink, on the far side of the plow. I'm putting out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So like, share, subscribe. And as always, we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.